In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the best thumbnails using Canva. Crafting eye-catching thumbnails is crucial as they are often the first thing viewers notice and can significantly influence their decision to click on your video. Let's dive in and explore how you can create stunning and effective thumbnails with ease. First, you need to visit Canva's website. Once you're there, go to the search bar and type in thumbnail. This will guide you to the many resources Canva has tailored specifically for this purpose. Typing thumbnail will bring up a variety of templates designed to fit all sorts of content, from gaming to beauty to education. Each template is easily customizable, making it perfect for aligning with your brand or style. Spend a moment exploring the options and decide which template resonates best with your content. Once you've picked a template, it's time to customize it to your liking. Look for the button or option that says Customize this template. Clicking on this will open up the template editor where you can make it truly your own. The beauty of Canva lies in its simplicity. No graphic design skills are required, and the user-friendly interface allows you to modify elements with ease. Now focus on the text. Choose a font and color scheme that doesn't only complement your video but also stands out to catch the audience's eye. Keep in mind that the text should be legible and concise. Too much information can be overwhelming. Instead, aim for a balance of clarity and intrigue, enough to make someone want to click for more details. Next, it's time to personalize the image. On Canva, you'll see an option called Uploads on the left menu. This is where you can upload your own images or graphical elements. Simply click on Uploads, find your desired image on your device and upload it to Canva. Consider using a high-resolution image that represents your content well. Once it's uploaded, you will drag and drop your image onto the template to replace the default one. Position your image effectively to ensure it aligns well with your textual elements and overall design. Finally, take a moment to review your creation. Make any final adjustments to ensure that all elements are harmonized and clearly communicate the essence of your video. Canva's preview feature allows you a glance at how it will appear to viewers, ensuring you're satisfied with the result before saving. When you're happy with the final look, download your thumbnail to complete the process. Always choose a high resolution format to ensure it looks crisp and professional across all platforms. And there you have it, a vibrant, engaging thumbnail ready to attract viewers to your content. Happy creating.